In the context of India, which of the following principles is or are implied institutionally in the parliamentary government? Statement A is correct, 1 and 2 only. One is members of the cabinet are members of the parliament. Second is ministers hold the office till they enjoy confidence in the parliament. Explanation. In the context of India, there are mainly two principles which can be implied institutionally in the parliamentary form of government. Statement 1 is correct. A member of the cabinet must be a member of the parliament. If a person who is not a member of the parliament and is appointed as ministers, then he or she has to get elected to either of the two houses of the parliament within the 6 months. Statement 2 is correct. In a parliamentary form of government, the Council of Ministers hold office till they enjoy the confidence of the parliament. In India's case, that is the Lok Sabha. Hence, ministers hold the office till they enjoy confidence in the parliament. Statement 3 is incorrect. The president is head of the state in India, whereas the cabinet is headed by the Prime Minister of India. That is correct. What is incorrect? Cabinet is headed by the head of the state. Or why it is what is the correct form of this statement? The president is the head of the state in India, whereas the cabinet is headed by the Prime Minister of India. What is the source? M. Lakshmikant, Chapter 20, UPSC 2013.